Welcome back. Welcome back to this. Okay, so after everyone liked the Sonic video, I was like, 5 people watched this video. I should make a sequel. So here we have Sonic the Hedgehog 2 Electric Boogaloo. Yes, Tails. Now a thing. So yes, Tails. It's got Speedster. But instead of using the blue Speedster, I had to use the red Speedster. And of his, I found some spare. Wait, no, this is the creation menu. Wait, no, this is the creation menu. That's the hub. That's where you create your character. So yeah, this is it's quite a cool. It's quite cool. I've created this. Obviously, it doesn't have Tails because this game couldn't be bothered to add, you know, Tails as Tails. I mean, they're already violating every other copyright law. I think they need, so I think it's justified. Let's see, look. Speed! Dun dun dun. The power of smart. The power of spid. Spid. So yeah, I mean, my character has been, I have converted my character to authorized, so obviously there are two differences with how Tails is much taller, even though canonically Tails is shorter. Yeah, I researched this real well, guys. Woo! I broke my kneecaps, but I can run faster than ever. Whee! Smooth. Role playing. I fly now. Why flying? Oh yes, Tails' greatest canonical power. You remember right. Look how many things shuffling. No time. Ah, yes, the great son of death. Isn't that contradicting point? In their fairies. This is flexing. We flex. Keep me flex. Just keep me flexing. They hating. We flexing and they're all. Flex on it. Flex on it. Send out the pew pews in there. See, so yeah, this has just been. So yeah. Yes. So here's the shield heli carrier. Yeah, this was my favorite Sonic level, man. Yeah, my favorite Sonic level. The freaking shield carrier. Yeah, the shield carrier. Oh yeah, I remember that level. Pretty hard, wasn't it? Yeah, oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, I love that level. It was amazing. The interview. Spid. Iron Spid. So yeah.